So I'm putting the GTI away for winter mode, and I'm wondering what the hell this sound is. Grab the manifold. I'm not pulling that hard, but something. What the hell is that? I am confused.